How to install and set up Apache Tomcat? There are simple three-way to install this. Navigate to Apache Tomcat official website. Uh, Here we will discuss how to install the Apache Tomcat from here. To install, we will simply go to there are different releases available for Apache Tomcat. Let's say we are clicking on Apache Tomcat 10. Here we have installation for different zip files for Windows and Linux according to our main OS. We can download simply here a zip file or installer from here. To install, the second is needed step is install Java. To install Java, we need install Java version and Java JDK Java our download. Here, it will navigate us official version of official site of Java. Here we will simply install the Java setup by clicking next, and it will install the Java basically from here. Now first two step has been completed. The one was the installation of Apache Tomcat, the second one is Java. Now the third step is the configuration of the environment variable. To configure the environment variable, we will simply navigate to this PC in Windows and simply click on properties. Here here we have option for environment variable. In advanced tab, we will simply use advanced system setting. Here we have option for environment variables. Here we simply first we have to install the Java home variable, environment variable, and then for the Apache Tomcat we have to install this Catalan home environment variable. This is the second step for adding these third step for the Apache Tomcat installation on Windows. The another thing important step is in it add those variable in the path. We mentioned the path for the Java home and the Catalina for the Apache Tomcat. Now the step 3 has been completed. Now we will simply proceed to the home directory or installation directory of the Apache Tomcat. We will simply click on this PC, and here we have the program files. Inside the program files, we have the Apache Software Foundation folder. Here we have Tomcat